Right, can you see that? Today's the 26th of June and I'm going on holiday in about 3 weeks, so I need to make me a cooking tripod. These are 1 meter each, already cut, so let's get started. Okay, here we are. I'm just putting a point on the end of them. I did that to all three. It's just nothing special, just a simple point to drive into the ground. Just squaring it up. Right, now on this side, it's the other side now. I've let them all cool down. And I'm just making sure there's no sharp end. That's just a measuring block I made. Yeah, I measured it at 19.5 centimeters. There we go. Now I've got the measurement. I'll whack it down. As you can see, squaring it back up, and then start going a bit over the horn. I have to reheat it up because I don't heat it in the right place. There we go, going around a bit better now. First time I've ever tried doing this. Watched a few videos. I've got the name of the video. I'll put it in somewhere. Of a nice gentleman doing it. One very similar. Bloody hell! Look at that beard. Heating it up again. Right, that's a proper heat. On this one the plan is to do 2 hoops and one, well I know it as a pig's tail when I used to work in the gardens. I don't know what you'd call it. It looks nothing like a pig's tail, but I don't know what other people call it. There's one. Get the next one off, clean out off the soil, put it in, and there you go, a bird's eye view of exactly the same thing. First thing is just square the ends up, making sure there's no sharp bits. Checking out rough the right length. Mark it off from the side of the anvil. And then tap it down. Once again. Go round the horn. Here I've done a little mistake. I started tapping it further down the horn, so it is slightly smaller than the first one. It's only by about, I think about 6 mil. But since it's for my own use, it doesn't bother me at all. If I was asked by anyone, I'd just probably say something like, so I know which one goes where. Now on the last bit, the last one. At the moment I'm just flattening it down. It's getting cooler. Oh, sorry. Measuring roughly how far down I've got to flatten it. Just off camera I've got the 2 hoops there, I'm just having a look at it there. That's flattening a bit more. There we go. Just having a look at roughly how much it would be to turn. Yeah, trying to explain to myself, working it all out. Here we go. Now there's the first knock round. I'm sorry, I did that bit in the jig, but as I put the camera up, hook the camera up there to record, I turned the camera off. So that's how I got that bend. Okay. Now I'm going to heat it back up, put on the voice and close that gap up a touch. Right, you've got your tripod there. That's how it goes. That's pretty much half my weight on that. So you got that way, and I'm gonna pause you, and then you got that way. Again, put a lot of weight on that. And there you go. Next time you'll be seeing this will probably be when I'm on holiday. I'll do a video of me cooking on it. So in three to 4 weeks, probably upload it when I come back, I don't know yet. See you then.